Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the latest foldable phones from Tecno, the Phantom V Fold 2 and the Phantom V Flip 2. These gadgets are packed with cutting-edge features and some impressive AI capabilities. Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about the Tecno Phantom V Fold 2. This beauty sports a 7.85-inch 2K plus AMOLED main display and a 6.42-inch FHD plus AMOLED cover display. Perfect for those immersive viewing experiences. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus chipset, coupled with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. But what about the cameras? The Phantom V Fold 2 comes with 5 cameras, a trio of 50MP sensors on the back, including a primary portrait and ultra-wide lens. Selfie lovers, rejoice! You get dual 32MP front cameras. It's an absolute powerhouse with a 700 mAh battery, 70W fast charging, and even 15W wireless charging support. Plus it runs on Android 14. Now let's flip things over to the Tecno Phantom V Flip 2. This one offers a 6.9-inch FHD plus AMOLED LTPO main display, complete with a 120Hz refresh rate and a compact 3.64-inch AMOLED cover display. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 chipset, with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Camera-wise, the Flip 2 doesn't disappoint either. You get a 50MP primary camera, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, and a 32MP front camera for those perfect selfies. Its 720 mAh battery supports 70W fast charging, though it lacks wireless charging. It also runs on Android 14. Now let's talk AI. Both foldables come equipped with Tecno's in-house AI suite, powered by Google Gemini. You get the Ella AI Assistant, Smart Q&A for real-time answers, and AI Summary to condense texts in PDFs and web pages. There's even AI Translation for live translations and AI Writing for summarizing, proofreading, and creative writing. But that's not all. The AI Artboard transforms your doodles into neat art, and AI Wallpaper creates custom wallpapers based on text prompts. Pretty nifty, right? Now let's talk pricing and availability. The Tecno Phantom V Fold 2 is priced at $1,099, approximately Rs. $92,230, for the 12GB plus 512GB variant. On the other hand, the Tecno Phantom V Flip 2 costs $699, around Rs. $58,661, for its 8GB plus 256GB variant. They'll go on sale in Africa on September 23rd, with other markets like Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Latin America following soon. So whether you're into the book-style fold of the Phantom V Fold 2 or the clamshell design of the Phantom V Flip 2, Tecno's got you covered. Both devices offer a blend of powerful specs, innovative AI features, and stunning designs. Which one are you excited to get your hands on? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one.